Hey YouTube, it is Gary coming at you with another comic book haul. Plus, I also have an unboxing of a pop that I ordered off of Amazon. So let's start with the haul first. So I picked up Suicide Squad number 49. Titans number 31. Oblivion Song number 10. Justice League Dark number 6. The Flash number 60. Oops. That was the reverse of my haul. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. Batman Annual number 3. I like that cover. Pretty cool cover. Avengers number 11. And Heroes in Crisis number 3. Sorry for the glare. Now that was it for the haul. Now it's time to unbox what I got. I'll be right back. Okay. Had to get some scissors. So here's, I already opened the box. Already opened the box. So we're taking it out of the box. We got bubble wrap. It didn't come with any package thingy. It came in like that. So let's take it out of the package. It came in like that with bubble wrap. So let's take the bubble wrap off and see what we got. Be back when I get the bubble wrap off. Okay. I saw this at Books A Million, and went back a couple of days ago and they did not have it. So I went and looked up on Amazon, and I got the Bedtime Deadpool. Very cool. Very cool. Now see that there's a little wrinkle right here that you can see to the box, but the box is in pretty good shape, it looks like, except for that little spot right there. Very cool. Top of it and the bottom of it. So there you have it, my comic book haul and my unboxing. Hope you all enjoy, and I have another package coming soon. Not sure when. I gotta look and see when it's going to arrive. But when that comes, I will let you all see what I got.